Today I'll be telling the story of the cat princess. Once upon a time, there was a woman named Dorothy who was working for a lady named Betsy. Betsy also had a daughter whose name was Tessie. Tessie and Betsy, both of them, were extremely rude towards Dorothy. Even though she does all the work around the house, she doesn't get enough credit. She doesn't even get respect. Both of them always mock her and are always rude to her. No one, both of them don't care about her, and she has a very hard and miserable life. The only reason that she is working under them is that she needs a decent amount of income, and as Betsy and Tessie are both of them are rich, she gets a decent income. So she is only working there for the money, but not for respect. Um, so one day, what happens is that Tessie comes home with a new cat. Betsy doesn't like that very much because um, Betsy always says that she doesn't like to look after cats. So she thought that if Tessie brings the cat into the house, she must look after the cat. But now that they have but now that they have Dorothy, Dorothy can look after the cat. So Dorothy was looking after the cat, and but the thing is that the cat appeared as a cat to Tessie and Betsy, but to Dorothy the cat appeared as a woman who was dressed in very beautiful clothes, and she almost looked like a princess. So she was quite confused. Dorothy was extremely confused, and one day she heard the cat singing, or she heard the princess singing. So she went near the princess, and she asked the princess about what was happening, and the princess told told Dorothy that, "Hello, I am Princess Maya, and you are probably seeing me because you have a nice heart. You are very kind, and you are very loving and kind. So you can see my real form, unlike Betsy and Tessie, who are very rude. So I'll tell you about myself, but first tell me, why are you working for these two very rude people?" Then Dorothy tells her that she needs to take care of her grandmother, because she promised her grandmother a very grand life, but now they're currently living in a very small cottage, with or very less supplies. So even no matter how hard she works, all the money gets spent on something, and her grandmother can't have a great life if she doesn't work. So after she tells her that, Princess Mai says that, "Oh, I see. Okay, the reason the reason that I'm in the disguise of a cat is to find my brother, who is also in the form of cat, but due to a spell which was put on by my evil uncle, and my uncle is currently ruling my kingdom. Um, he fooled everyone, and he's very evil. We need to save our kingdom and my brother from my uncle." So Dorothy says, "Okay, and in return, you'll help me to make my grandmother's life better." Then both of them agree to each other's conditions, and they get to work. First, first Princess Maya wanted to make Dorothy's grandmother's life better and Dorothy's life better. So she gave both of them a chest full of gold coins, and also gave Dorothy a promising career in knitting. As Dorothy already excels in knitting and weaving, the task was not extremely difficult for Dorothy, and she actually liked knitting and weaving. So as it was a hobby, she obviously liked it. So her career had blown up, and she got loads and loads of income, and along with the chest of gold coins, both of them were extremely rich, and they were very grateful to Princess Maya. And now it's time for Dorothy to help Princess Maya. So they start the search uh, for Princess Maya's brother, and they actually find him. But when they find him, Dorothy won't be able to save him in his human form, because the spell which is put on by Princess Maya's evil uncle has a condition. Um, a person with a good heart is just enough to see Maya's full form, but to see Maya's brother's full form, you also need a person who is more old than 60 years. So very sad, and they don't know what to do. Then Maya gets an idea. She takes a brother in the form of a cat to Dorothy's grandmother, because she knew that Dorothy's grandmother was very kind and loving person. So as soon as they took the brother to Dorothy's grandmother, his spell was broken, and he was in his human form again. This was because Dorothy's grandmother was very kind, loving, and was obviously 60, more than 60 years old. So after that day, uh, each both of them went their separate ways and led a happy life. Thank you.